Hello, Star Wars fans! Today, we have issue 26 of the Build Your Own Star Wars R2D2. And we have fitting the wheel mounting plate, inside Star Wars fights and fatherhood. Luke, I am your father. Droid Directory, Imperial Astromechs. Alright, and as usual, just gonna go through the magazine so you can see the content and the articles. Spoiler alert! It's a little too late for a spoiler alert, seeing as, yeah, we already know that's his father. So, yeah. Alrighty. Artificial animals. Okay, just some more. Wheel mounting, axle, and bearing. Okay, so this is a total of 9 steps. Okay, and these are the parts. Obviously, clearly, you cannot really see what parts might be up underneath there. They have a way of doing that. And everything is inside of the clamshell, so get rid of that. Okay, so there's one of the mountings, and okay, there we go, right there. Oh, and there's the third part, which stuck to the framing right there. Which that is the bearing that we are waiting on. Okay, so the parts provided this time are engineered from metal and are designed to carry R2D2's right wheel and support a considerable weight. You can test fit the wheel now and will attach it permanently in stage 28 when you receive the outer support plate and another bearing. Alrighty. Okay, so let's go ahead and we are going to start this. Assembling the wheel mounting. Right there. The parts provided this time are fitted onto the base of the leg assembly that you put together in stage 21. Part LPR18 was left loose at that point, so handle it with care. Okay, so seeing as I have all the leg parts out at the moment, out. Yeah, just so any new viewers, if you're literally just watching this and haven't watched any of my other videos, I do put in there that I do have a speech impediment. Okay, it's not the same thing as other speech problems. It's literally just certain times I might speak something wrong. It has to do with pronunciation of certain letters at certain points. So if you ever hear me correct myself when you hear a word pronounced wrong and then I speak it again and pronounce it right, that's the thing. So, not a big issue. Lived it with my whole life. So, let's get on with the build, shall we? Okay, so step 1. Take the 3 parts supplied with this issue. Alright, so 1, 2, and 3. All right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so step 2. The smooth side of the inner wheel support plate has 2 pins arrowed here. Okay, so just so you know, arrowed there. Okay. Which, yeah, not careful. Turned the dome and almost knocked the bearing off onto the ground, which would have gotten something that we don't want in it, but there's the 2 pins. Okay. Step 3. Fit the pins into the holes in the corners of the right wheel mounting plate. Okay, I think it's showing the top side here. It's showing the top side. So okay. Alright, so that's actually kind of snug right there. Okay. And step 4 says, press the part fully into place. Oh, okay. Well, there we go. Alright, so step 5. Screw the parts together with 4 silver screws in the bottom, in the hole shown. 4 of the 6mm screws in the hole shown. Okay, so I have to go into my box of tricks. So luckily I have stuff labeled in here as millimeter size. Yeah, come on, come on. And I do have 6 of these at the moment. Come. Okay, there we go. Now we got 4. Alright. So, apparently this gets screwed from the outside right there. Okay. Alright, so one right there. And yes, I am not using R2D2 screwdriver. Ah! Maybe I should. Ah! Okay, that was completely unexpected. Very, very unexpected. I dropped a screwdriver and then I end up knocking the camera. So as I was saying, I'm not using the R2D2 screwdriver. Right now, yeah, I'm not going to use it because I'm going to try to save the head on that as long as I can possibly save the head on that. Even though I really haven't had an issue with it, it seems that the screwdriver for the R2D2 is better than the screwdriver we get for the X-Wing. I can't explain why. Maybe it's because they went a cheaper route with the X-Wing screwdriver. Anything is possible. There we go. All nice and tight and completely solid right there. Okay, and that brings us up to step 5, which was screw the parts together with the 4 6mm silver screws and the hole shown, which we did. And step 6, turn the assembly over and take the bearing supplied. Note how it is the same diameter as the recess in the center of the support plate. Well, I wouldn't think that it would be a different diameter than the support plate. Otherwise, you know, the bearing would never actually go in to the hole. But okay, let's go. Step 7, press the bearing into the recess in the support plate. Well, obviously, we didn't really have to press it because it fell right into the hole. Okay, so step 8, fit the square part of the axle into the hole in the wheel assembly from stage 24, working from the side without the screw holes. Okay, so here we have the side with the screw holes. Okay, so from the side without the screw holes, you can see there is a recess there. Okay, and we are just going to put this in there like that, and it'll sit just like it is. Okay. Step 9, fit the small diameter pin on the end of the axle into the small hole in the center of the bearing. Okay, so there we go. Woo, 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 just like that. And having fun. Okay. And that was step 9, temporary assembly. You will be able to spin the wheel on its bearing, but until the outer support plate and its bearing are added in stage 28, the parts test fitted in steps 6 to 9 will remain loose, and you may prefer to remove them for safekeeping. Okay, so there we go. Alright, I'm just going to move all the stuff up out of the way for now. Okay, so that is all we have for issue 26. And in issue 27, we get projector display screen, mounting plates, and wiring. Okay, so until the next Build Your Own Star Wars R2D2, or until the next X-Wing, or until the next Transformers video. Thanks for watching.